Hey everyone, this is Cassie Rosenwald, your Norwex independent sales consultant. I just wanted to hop on here really quick and show you a deep cleaning of the cloths that I've been using. So what I'm actually going to do is we are going to use, let me close it up before I spill it all over the place. So we are going to be using the microfiber cleaner. That's what it looks like. It comes in this nice container. And how we're gonna do this is I have some hot water in the sink, and I'll show you guys the soak in a second. But I'm taking some of my items, so such as my makeup remover pads, and let's see what else. These are my travel Enviro cloths. So I've been using these with work. So since I'm a flight attendant, these come in handy. So I like to wash these and give them a deep clean every once in a while. I've been using the mop pad a lot for demos, so I'm going to give that a nice clean too. The dusting mitt, I've been using this a lot for demos, and as you can see, it's definitely darker, so I can't wait to see what this looks like after a deep clean and a wash. And I just got my counter cloths, and they probably don't need a deep clean, but I'm just going to throw them in there too. Maybe just with a half a scoop. I'm going to do one side with like a very deep clean, and then I'm going to do the other side with a half scoop. So I'm also going to throw my dry mop pad in there, and then also my tile mop pad, just because I use that to clean the bathroom and the kitchen floor, so we'll throw that in there too. My Enviro, I've been doing a lot of demos and a lot of cleaning with this, so it's going in for a deep clean. And I think that's all. Oh, my body scrub mitt. I've been using this in my hotels, so I'm going to do this just in case some of the hotels had hard water. And then I'm also going to clean my masks, and I also have my shower cap in another Enviro. So the whole benefit of deep cleaning your cloths allows all the stuff, all the buildup to be released from the cloths. So, and the way that Norwex works is if you're having troubles with odor and stuff like that, that means your microfiber is just clogged. So the deep clean allows everything to be released. So I'm actually gonna start this process right now. So I'm gonna just follow the directions on here, because this is my first time deep cleaning. So it says, removes deep down tough stains and odors from microfiber cloths, complements your favorite Norwex laundry detergent to remove stubborn odors, deep clean, whitens whites, and brightens bright. So you can use this with your laundry detergent too, with your Up Ultra Power Plus. And it's enzyme powered stain and odor removal, not a soap, bleach, or blunting agent. Fragrance with natural derived sweet orange extract. Oh, that is nice. It does smell like sweet orange. Oh, that's so nice. So I filled my sink with water, and it says hot, not boiling water, and dissolve 1 full scoop. So I actually have some hot water on the stove. I do have water already in here, but just in case it's not hot enough, I am going to pour some of this water that I do have on the stove in here just to make it a little bit warmer. And now I'm going to dissolve my scoop in here. So this side will do the deep clean side. So, and then this side I'm just gonna do a half a scoop. Okay, and then I'm gonna just get a utensil and then just stir it around to make sure it's dissolved in there before I put any of the products in there. And actually what I'm gonna do is maybe I'll tilt you guys down so you can see what's going on here. Okay, so I'm just making sure that this is all dissolved in here. So this is my full scoop side, and then my half scoop side is over here. And I'm going to say that's probably good. So, and then I'm just going to start adding my stuff in here. Okay, and then what I am going to do too, really quickly, is just pour some more water over here. And I'm just gonna wait until it cools just a little bit because you don't wanna use boiling water because that actually can damage your microfiber, because some of our Norwex stuff is recycled. So since they're recycled materials, there is plastic, so you can ruin your microfiber if it's too hot. So I'm just gonna let that cool down and then I'll add some more water. We'll just use this one. So I'm just gonna make sure to push these down. Oops. And then once everything's in here, I'm going to let this all soak for 30 minutes. Hey Siri, set a timer for 30 minutes. That's ready to go. So I'm gonna let that sit for 30 minutes, and it says add up to 10 heavily soiled microfiber cloths and soak for 30 minutes. Rinse well and tumble or air dry. Or after soaking, place in washing machine and launder on normal cycle using a Norwex laundry detergent. Do not bleach. Do not use fabric softeners or dryer sheets. Launder dark colors separately, dry as usual. So that's how that all works. So that was my first experience with using this. I do really like the smell. So I'm just gonna let all this soak for 30 minutes, and I will let you guys know how everything works out. Probably. Hey everyone, so I'm back and I'm here to show you the water and the deep clean. So I'm gonna just pan you down right here. Okay, so just look how gunky this water is. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm actually gonna remove all of this and put it in the washer in just a few minutes. But I'm gonna transfer this into like a basket of. So I'm just gonna pull all these out. Well, actually, that's it. But look at this water. Look at all that. Isn't that crazy? So that's just from pre-soaking for a half an hour. And my facial pads, they come with a little bag, so I'm going to make sure I put them in there so that when they go to wash, they're not getting lost in the washing machine. And then I'm actually going to rub the mitt together to see if we can get the rest of this out of here. Because this still has some discoloration. Okay, so that is that. So those will go in the washer, but just we're gonna take a peek over here and check out this water. So how gross is that? So that's just after soaking those items for a half an hour. So pretty gross. So that was using the microfiber booster and doing a deep clean on those cloths. So pretty nasty. Sorry, that was Cassie. What? Oh. But yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this. I'm pretty impressed with the stuff that it pulled out of those cloths. Like, I didn't even realize they were that dirty. But yeah, it's probably from doing all the floors. But I'm very impressed. Very impressed. So if there's a video you want to see, if there's a product you want to see, let me know and I will try it out for you and let you know what I think. But I would say that this was pretty much a success by the looks of this water. So definitely a success. Thanks everyone. Bye.